In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a virtual background in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're in a meeting with colleagues, attending a virtual event, or just catching up with friends, it's important to have control over what your camera displays. Sometimes virtual backgrounds can feel unnecessary, distracting, or even affect video quality. That's why knowing how to remove them is useful. Start by signing into your Microsoft Teams account. Open the Teams application and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see all your chats, teams, and upcoming meetings. Next, let's adjust the background settings. Join any scheduled meeting or start a new one to access the video controls. Once you're in the meeting, you'll notice several icons on your screen. Look for the background filters icon, which usually looks like a person with a sparkling backdrop. This is where you can manage your video background. Clicking on background filters opens a panel with various options. You may see images, blur effects, or previously used backgrounds. Since the goal is to remove a virtual background, locate and select None. This will immediately revert your camera to show your real surroundings without any digital modifications. This feature is flexible, so you can switch backgrounds anytime depending on the context. You might want a professional look for work meetings, a neutral setup for virtual events, or a fun background for casual conversations. Microsoft Teams makes it easy to adjust at any moment. To ensure everything works smoothly, make sure your Teams app is up to date. Sometimes older versions may not display the background settings correctly. Also, verify that your camera is working properly, as this affects how the background appears. Controlling your video background is simple but effective. Removing virtual backgrounds can make your meetings feel more natural, professional, or personal based on your preference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your video settings efficiently.